Here's a popular year and model at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1966 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, two-door hardtop, real deal SS too, by the way. Tell that by the VIN, the cowl tag or data tag. You can also tell by the trim. Original Marina blue car also, so it'd be an F paint coat. Let you take a look at the front grille and headlight surrounds. Paint on it shows well. There's some kind of little specks or what have you in the clear, but overall paint does show well. One of those, get in it, drive it, have some fun, especially with the 396 big block underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Check out the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle: engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So we take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Bucket seat interior, black vinyl. This was an original 4-speed car also. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash and retro sound style radio that is working. We're going to check that out here in just a bit when I start it up. Take a look at the engine bay, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see the trunk, the undersides, engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, riding on the rally wheels. So we take a look down the driver's side from the rear to front. Also, pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, as you can see. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. So black vinyl, door panels or door cards in good shape. Nice floor mats in this one in the front also, and in the still pictures you'll be able to see underneath those floor mats carpeting's fine, but these were cut for this car and they fill up the whole floor, leave you a little hole for the dimmer switch down in the floor. Fit very nicely. As you can see, seat belts and seats also pretty much free of any major wear, rips, tears, holes, anything like that. So interior also showing very well. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, that was a cold start. Did notice earlier the tack did not work. Gauge cluster underneath the dash, oil pressure, voltmeter, and then of course there's the temp gauge. Just warm up just a little bit. Radio is working. Make sure we're neutral. Listen to that. This one will turn some heads, no doubt, with the sound. And the way it looks. Slip up to the front, I'll pop this hood. Take a look at the engine bay. This is one you're not going to be afraid to open the hood at any of your shows or roll it. Just check this out. Take a look under here. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. Engine bay. There's that 396. Headers. Power steering. Like Edelbrock Performer. Intake. Good looking engine bay. 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, real deal. Two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Original Marina blue car. 4-speed with a 396 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. You can already tell this is a strong runner. And such a great exhaust sound from this car. Both our turn signal indicators are working. This is a 4 on the floor. Yes, very good acceleration. Very nice shifting car. Speedometer does appear to be off. It says we're doing 65. We're probably doing 50, maybe 55. Radio works good. Our wipers are working. Temperature is about 150 on the triple gauge set under the dash. And the battery's charging over 14 volts. And the oil pressure is over 70. Letting go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Getting a smooth ride from this car. Absorbs the road bumps very well. Our factory fuel gauge is reading just about E. I can tell you I hope that's not correct, but it might be correct. Corner in third gear, great acceleration. I actually can't tell if the fan motor works. You have to check Jay's video on that. Great running Chevrolet Impala SS. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.